The bolt is fine. It's stuck on something in there. Hey everyone, welcome to Beauty Garage. My name's Chris Dale, and today I'm going to be working on this 1998 Subaru Forester. We're going to be installing new hubs, new wheel bearings, new rear diff bushings, and new axles. So I got my tools, and let's get started. So I'm jacking the car up right now, right on the differential. All right, so I forgot to mention this Subaru is actually cameraman's car, and we just found out he's got some 2-inch wheel spacers. So I gotta take those off after taking off the wheel. Here we go. I got my 32mm impact socket to take off the nut for the axle. Oh God, here we go. Those are your brakes, cameraman. Boom! And she's out of there. I'm gonna cry. Mother of God. Ha-ha! Ha! All right, so I got the hub out, but the wheel bearing is still stuck in there, so I'm gonna try hitting it from the other side with my pry bar tool thingy. Okay, so we had to spray the other side with PB Blaster, and we moved back over to this side, which we already sprayed with PB Blaster. One more turn. Aha! Brother! Yes! All right, well, we got both wheel bearings out. I got my workout in. I'm gonna go drink a protein shake. Well, my children, now it is time to take out the axles.
So once again, there's only one man clever enough to have perpetrated such a dastardly crime. Ha! And I thought you were ready to give up.
Time to remove the differential bushings. I mean, I don't know how easily this is actually gonna go. This is probably gonna be very difficult. Okay, so these bushings have become a real pain in the tuchus. So I got a blowtorch, a little metal saw, and a punch tool, and I'm gonna just try and cut them out or hammer them out or whatever, get them hot and saucy. Let's see how this goes. Well, those bushings wouldn't come out, so I'm gonna drop the cross member, and then hopefully they come out, maybe. Or not. Okay, let's try the other one. No. I need you to get that corn out of my face.
Get that corn out of my face!
Ah! There we go. Okay, all 4 bolts are loose. Go! Yay! Remove this bolt! Or not. Everything is being a pain in the butt to remove. Now the other side. Oh, that one's already out. Well, no, it's out from what I did earlier. The bolt is fine. It's stuck on something in there. Okay, so long story short, I tried to take out the subframe, the rear subframe, and one of the factory welded nuts on the other side broke loose. And now I gotta drill an access hole through the top to get to that nut and take it off. Okay, so I drilled a hole through here and we found an access hole for another nut, but I gotta drill like roughly over here now because the one we want to access is a little bit lower back. Okay, so the bolt that's been causing this issue, we cut through and found it right there. Got to hold this right here while I get from underneath and loosen it with another ratchet. No wonder it broke the welds. I think the nut is seized to it. This right here was causing the issue. This is the factory welded nut. They just put 3 tack welds. That broke loose, and this was the bolt. It's not meant to be pointed that way. It's not meant to be bent. It's meant to be straight, like this one. And it doesn't look like that. There you go. The exhaust is keeping it up too. Oh hey, if you're seeing items on this table, that means we've got more content for you going into the car right behind me. So remember, click that subscribe button and ring that bell. Okay. So I got the subframe out, and now I'm going to try and drill out the rubber for here out of the bushings.
magician. That's incredible.
Dude, it's been in, these have been in your car for 200,000 miles. That's for dang sure, cameraman. Yeah. Have a clue. Have a clue. That's how you remove a bushing. No. All right, now that I got those horrendous bushings out, it's time to press in the new ones. And I'm actually going to use this wheel bearing press kit that we used to remove the old wheel bearings, and I'm going to use it to press in the differential bearings. So let's go. I'm putting the subframe up now. We got the bushings in, time to put the subframe back in. Haha! I got the hard part out of the way now. Now it's time for Sponsor Chair. Today's video is sponsored by The Rag Company. They're a locally owned business here in Boise, Idaho. We use their products in all of our detailing videos. They make high quality microfiber towels and a wide assortment of other products that you can find in the link below. Okay, well, I got the subframe in with the new differential bushings and it's all bolted up. Now it's time to put in the axles. So here we go.
We interrupt this record to bring you a special bulletin.
It's all in. We're all in this together.
This isn't the last we will be seeing of Brock.
Alrighty. Okay, well that was pretty difficult. What's the most difficult thing that you've had to modify or replace on your vehicle? Let us know in the comments down below. Hey everyone, if you want to watch more detailing videos, go on ahead and click the sponge and spray bottle right there. And if you want to watch more modification videos, click the wheel and wrench right there. And remember, stay beautiful.